Our next part of the lesson is on about conversion of currency and also learning a little bit more on negative numbers. In fact, there are two additional um, practices that we have on negative numbers, which is actually a very important concept that you need to know. So moving on, calculators. Okay, so one of the basic principle of conversion of money. Okay, so whenever you need to have a foreign currency into Aussie dollars, you always use a division sign. So for example, how much Aussie dollars do we need to change into 410 New Zealand dollars? Okay, so you have New Zealand dollars, that the amount that you need here, and the exchange rate since is 1.21, so that's why you divide by 1.21. So you only need $338.84 to change into $410 New Zealand dollars. Okay, next one, give it a try on your own. Okay, how much Aussie dollars do we need to change into 625 euro? So euro, it has an exchange rate of 0.56. Okay, pause the video, give it a try on your own. That's right. So 625 divided by 0.56. Wow, you actually need $1,116.07 of Aussie to change into 625 euro. So it's quite expensive to go Europe, isn't it? Okay. So another principle that is not being touched because all the questions are only based on one direction. So what happens if you have Aussie dollars into foreign currency? Okay, so you want to change Aussie dollars into a foreign currency. That's when we need to times. So how much New Zealand dollars do we get if we change 550 Aussie dollars? So since the exchange rate is 1.21, that's why it's 550 times 1.21. So with $550, I can change $665.50, okay, of New Zealand dollars. Okay, the last two questions, read them on your own. So do you use principle 1 or principle 2 to actually solve them? Okay, try it on your own. Okay, the next part is on negative numbers. It's just a brief introduction to it. So look at the thermometer, record down the temperature. So I've done two for you. First one is 10 degrees. The next one over here is actually -5 degrees, isn't it? So just write down the degrees. Next part, you're supposed to locate the various points. So I've actually identified for you. Top of the flag is here. The sea level where the fish is, where the area is, where the foot of the swimmer is, the roof of the house, then the location of the two seagull, height of the top of the wave, okay, that's where it is, and also the height of the top fence. So I actually thought this is the correct place, okay. Okay guys, not sure whether you agree with it. So I think that is the top of the wave, the fence should I say. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. Quite easy, isn't it? So complete them or in the student book, and then if you have any issue, just drop a note to me. Okay, bye bye.